Hey, good morning, Math 8 students, and happy Tuesday to you. Yep, there's a nice little alarm going off in the background. Hold on here 1 second. Corbin, time to go wait for Sandra. My son has to go to school now. So you can probably tell about what time it is in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock. My son goes off to school every day. So enough about me. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Today's Khan Academy, inequality word problems. Two puppies, Ruth and Sconcy, are playing together. Sconcy weighs 11 grams. Ruthie is lighter than that. Write an inequality that describes Ruthie's weight in kilograms. So whatever the inequality they're telling you, which in this case is R, we're going to put the R first. Weather right now is warm, buddy, but I'm on a video, so please leave. Sorry. All right, so my son is off to go to his work now, his schoolwork. What else I got here for you? Yeah, you can see I lost my train of thought there. Thanks, Corbin. All right. So we got R. Ruthie is lighter. So R is less than 11. And you know what? I think it would look better if I did a space between them. You don't want to put a space between them when you put them on Khan Academy. Biggest things here, you want to make sure that you use the correct variable that they tell you to use, the correct inequality sign, and the correct number. It's not that difficult. Here's my second example. If nitrogen is warmer than negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit, it will be a gas. Write an inequality. That is true only for temperature T at which nitrogen is a gas. So T is our inequality. So we'll put the T there. T, in order to be a gas, has to be warmer than, so greater than, negative 320 degrees. And that's all you're doing. This one shouldn't take too long, guys. Should be fairly easy. Hope you have a great Tuesday. Hopefully you won't have interruptions to your videos like I did in this one. But Corbin's off to go learn. You go off to learn. Have a great day. Bye-bye.